If you want to add music in CapCut, whether you're editing a short clip, a vlog, a tutorial, or a full social media video, this is one of the easiest skills to learn, and it can instantly make your video feel more polished and engaging. In this video, I'm going to show you 2 simple ways to add music in CapCut. First, using CapCut's free audio library, and second, importing your own music files from your computer. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy CapCut editing guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut and go into the project you want to edit. Once your project is open, look toward the top left menu. This is where most of the key editing tools are located, and the audio section is what you'll use to add background music or sound effects. Click on the Audio tab to open it. After that, you'll see options for music and sound effects in the left sidebar. CapCut gives you access to a built-in library, which is great if you want to use free tracks without needing to upload anything from your device. Now, browse through the different categories if you want to explore what's available. You can scroll through the library and listen to different tracks until you find one that matches the mood of your video. If you already know what you want, you can also use the search bar to look for a specific style, vibe, or type of sound. This makes it much faster to find the right track, especially if you're editing regularly and need music that fits your content. Once you find a track you like, simply click the blue plus icon next to it, or drag and drop the audio directly into your timeline. CapCut will automatically place the music on your timeline, so you can start trimming, splitting, or adjusting the volume as needed. This is the easiest method if you want quick access to royalty-free or built-in audio options inside CapCut. It's perfect for creators who want to save time and avoid searching outside the app. You can also layer music underneath your video to create a better viewing experience, and if needed, you can lower the track volume so it doesn't overpower your voiceover or dialogue. Now let's move on to the second method, which is importing your own music files. This is the best option if you already have a song, intro, background beat, or custom audio file saved on your computer. To do this, click the Media tab in the top left corner. In the Media section, look for the local import button. This is usually shown as a folder icon with a plus sign. Click that button, and then choose the audio file you want to use from your computer. CapCut supports common audio formats like MP3, WAV, and M4A, so in most cases, your file should import without any issues. Once the file is added to your media bin, all you need to do is drag the imported audio down into the timeline below your video track. That's important because you want the audio to sit underneath your visuals, not replace them. After the music is in the timeline, you can move it left or right to sync it with the start of your video, trim the beginning or end, and adjust it to match the exact part of your edit where you want the music to begin. If you want your video to feel more professional, try matching the music to the pace of your content. For example, use softer music for tutorials, upbeat music for energetic edits, and more cinematic audio for storytelling or dramatic clips. You can also experiment with fade-ins and fade-outs so the music starts and ends more smoothly. These small details can make a big difference in how polished your final video looks and sounds. And that's it. Now you know how to add music in CapCut using both the free audio library and your own imported files. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more easy CapCut tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.